Hi guys, we are going to be reacting to Dr. Martin, his flipping video. So basically, Dr. Martin is one of the biggest South African traders that I really enjoy and admire to watch on YouTube. So today we are going to be reacting to Dr. Martin's video, flipping an account, a smaller account. It is on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube without my reaction. On Dr. Martin, you can search on YouTube Dr. Martin, how to grow a small account, trading CFDs and indices, specifically US 30. So his strategy is called barcode strategy. You can go watch without my reaction, but in the meanwhile, let's watch the video.
To grow a small account, and on today's video I want to take you guys through the same process and phases of actually flipping your account into bigger amounts. So I was trading today.
By the way, guys, personally, I do not like the idea of flipping accounts, but most of South African traders, they like to trade that way. They even call it trading margin, whereby you every trade you take, you risk the entire account balance size. You basically went all in for every trade that you take. But me, I always want to risk 1% of the overall of the overall yeah, 1% of the overall account. I don't like to like full margin. But let's
actually just a couple of minutes ago, and I will show you guys the screenshot right now, or rather the screen recording. So I took and I will show you guys the screenshot right now, or rather
so as you can see, from what at least I can see, you see that the account was on the 1.5 rand, and he was able to flip this account into a 9,920 rands so far, at least, which brings the account to 15,170. And he risked the look at the margins, bro. Damn, bro. But let's watch the video.
The screen recording. So I took an account from 1,500 rands and I grew it all the way up to, let me see.
Oh, now it's going to 11,000. From 1,500, now it's on 11,000.
Oh my goodness. All the way up to 12,338. And obviously, so this is a common system and a method in South Africa. A lot of people come to YouTube.
I just told you that, guys, most South African traders use this way of trading. I don't know why, but they seem to like to trade this way.
So obviously try and learn this method and to actually see how we actually are able to flip these kind of amounts into larger accounts. So the first thing that you want to focus on.
So he's gonna go on and explain, this, which is what I expect on this video, is to explain the psychology behind this full margin trading. You understand? So we're gonna learn together, guys. Though I'm not interested in full margin, I am not interested in flipping accounts. I am not interested in trading this way. But as I say, I like Dr. Martin. He's one of the South African traders, one of the biggest South African traders. I cannot take that away from him. He is one of the best South African traders.
When you want to grow your account into these big figures, I will say that you want to first master the skill of trading.
I really agree with the first point that he comes up with, which is first mastering the art of trading. Before you want to flip accounts and make a lot of money, you first need to master your trading strategy. Have an edge so that you can attack the market with.
If you are new to the channel, you can go to the the past couple of videos that I have actually done in the past to actually see one of the steps that I actually take and go about in order to find the sustainable direction for the market. So if you actually are lazy, I'm actually gonna tell you right now. So the first thing you want to do to obviously spot and identify your trend. I think I did do a video on.
So basically, he is saying that the first thing that you need to do if you want to be a full margin trader, number one, he already, I don't know why he's saying the first, because he already said that you need to find a strategy first that is proven and it works. Then secondly, you need to be always, or not always, you need to know where is the direction of that day.
Market, market structure. So you do want to identify.
So how do you know the direction of the market on that day? You use market structure. You use, in my case, I also use liquidity. I use fair value gaps. I use but this video is not about
file structure and where the market is going. And secondly, then you want to obviously drop down to smaller time frames to find critical areas and zones and levels. As you can see on this trade that I took, I did take it at a very strong resistance level on the smaller time frame, and I mean that drop was like a 60-70 point drop, which is obviously like R1,000 per position. So that's like $70 if you're not from South Africa. So $70 per position on a 0.01, and that is a sustainable amount. So you do want to obviously find your structure first of all, and secondly, then you want to drop down to a slightly smaller time frame to then be able to spot and identify critical areas and levels and zones with and how previous candlesticks have actually closed around these areas. And after I have identified candlestick patterns, then
as you guys see that I just kept the video because number one, it's very long. Number two, I think he's explaining how he approached the market, which is just what I explained to you guys. Now I want to hear more on the trading this way, but now he's just explaining how his approach to the market, which is finding your direction, having a strategy first, then finding your direction, then going to a lower time frame so that you can find these zones, as he said, his zones, and you can then enter you can reach the full.
And I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame to also confirm what I have seen on the 30-minute time frame. Then I dropped down to the 5-minute chart, and on the 5-minute chart, that's where I potentially look for my setup and my entry points. So the M5 on indices is slightly a lot better to understand than the higher time frames, because what you see on the smaller time frames will eventually translate into the high time frame candles, the closure. So it's important that you understand how.
So I'm going to explain on what he just said, that what you see on the lowest time frame, it's always going to lead to what's happened to a higher time frame. Sometimes that can be a factor, you understand? Sometimes it cannot be a factor. Because if you're gonna stand here and tell me that a daily time frame is always determined by what the 1 hour is doing, no. Because an 1 hour time frame can always change bearish to bullish. You understand? It changes. That's what happened. The 1 hour time frame always changes bullish to bearish throughout the day. So it's not that if the 1 hour is bullish, then the daily time frame is also going to be bullish. No. The daily time frame can be bearish, and the 4 hour time frame can change into bearish. Even though we wake up in the morning, you see that the 1 hour time frame is very bullish, but throughout the day, the 1 hour time frame is very bearish. You understand? To accommodate what they want, what is the objective of the daily time frame. I think that my approach is that the smaller time frame are always going to do what the higher time frame are gonna do, not the other way around. That the smaller time frame always determine what the higher time frame are gonna do. No, 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 no. And for an example, if we have a price coming to, let me, I want the whiteboard, but okay, we're gonna do it on the next video. If price is on a weekly support, right? Now, to know that weekly support is holding or not, you can rely on the lower time frame. You can rely how on the lower time frame to see that, let's say you have the support, which is you want to see price going higher, getting the support and going higher. You want to see price changing from bearish to bullish on the lower time frame. Then that could be the one indication that, okay, this support on the weekly time frame could potentially hold. You understand? And if the weekly, let's say now the weekly don't want to hold that support, even though the lower time frame now changed into bullish, showing or indicating to you that, yo, we want to go up, but something, let's say something happened, Donald Trump or whatever announces something, because the forex market can be affected by such things, by people, by the United States, by big institutions that trade big money, that can affect the market, and also the news that are going to be released throughout the day.
These candlesticks close on a smaller time frame, and then you can go down to the higher time frames to understand that these smaller time frames are actually a confirmation of what the higher time frames candlestick will actually close.
This is where I really not agree with him, as I've just explained to you guys how my view is that the higher time frame, no matter like if the weekly is on a bullish or is on a support, I would expect the higher time frame to go bullish, even if though it's 1 hour, it's looking very, very bearish. But I know that on the weekly time frame, we are sitting on a support to go up. Then that is my direction for the week. That is my direction for the week, and I'm expecting the weekly candle to go up because we are on the support. Price is getting a support on the weekly time frame, so I would expect the price to go higher. No matter how the 1 hour is looking, the 1 hour can look very bearish. I don't care. The 15 minutes, I don't care. 30 minutes, I don't care. The only thing that I really, really, really care about is starting at the daily and the 4 hour. If the 4 hour is very, very bearish on the weekly support, then that's where I'm like, okay, this might not hold. This has a higher chances of not holding. But we cannot sit here and say that 4 hour is a lower time frame. I mean, 4 hours a day, we cannot call that a lower time frame. A lower time frame. A lower time frame for me is something that maybe the 1 hour, because 1 hour can go by very, very quick nowadays. 30 minutes, 40 minutes, your 15, 5, those are lower time frame for me. Then 4 hours is very, very long, and you cannot take that slightly.
Yes, and then you obviously come down to the M1. So the M1 is obviously the most favorable time frame that I do.
He talks about M1. M1 basically is a 1 minute time frame, and you cannot tell me that a 1 minute time frame determines what a weekly does or what a weekly candle will do. Nah, bro. But I really respect Martin, and again, guys, if you want to watch this video without my reaction on it, you can go on Dr. Martin on YouTube, or follow Dr. Martin on Instagram. He's a very, very good guy. He is one of the best South African traders. If you want to watch this video without my reaction, go to Dr. Martin. It is called How to Grow a Small Account Trading CFD and Indices.
trade. A lot of people trade patterns. I personally don't trade patterns. Some people will be looking for double tops, double bottoms.
This thing of strategy, I think every strategy have its own yes and no's, you know, and I don't really want to sit here and say which one is the best. The best strategy you can have as a human who trades forex is self-awareness. You study you, and you then take that and combine it with your strategy. Then boom, you become a best or best trader.
And some will be looking for, head and shoulder patterns, inverse head and shoulder patterns. I personally look for structural entries. So what I mean by that is that the market will come and test at the same high level a couple of times, and when it comes to time frame, and that is one of my most favorite setups to trade. So right now, US 30 was caught up in a range, and obviously when the market got to that resistance level, I potentially knew that there is a high chance that the market will go down, because I mean, from the high time frames perspective, we are kind of like looking, motivate and encourage you that trading is real, and if you do focus on the craft and the skill that you obviously have learned, you will see positive and profitable results in your trading career. And this was a quick and short video because I didn't want to like stay for long without uploading, so this is a quick video to announce.
So again, guys, as I said, that this is a quick video. It's gonna be a quick video for me. But if you want me to continue uploading videos like this, and also trading live, I wanna start trading live. I don't think there are more South African traders who trade live. I don't know one. I don't know one forex South African forex trader who execute trades live and close them live. I don't know who does that, but I'm planning on doing that. But if you want to see more of these videos, please comment, like the video, share if you want to share, and comment trading live if you want to see me trading live. Basically, that's the end of the video from my side. And shout out to Dr. Martin, man. He's really one of the influential traders in South Africa, one of the best traders in South Africa. And again, if you want to watch this video without my reaction, go to Dr. Martin, how to grow a small account, trade with CFDs and indices. Shut up. Peace.